when was machine learning or this AI revolution started? Without in interest of time, I'm going to move forward and give out the answer. It's almost 1950s, quite some time. It's not something which has happened just recently. Interesting enough, the first neural network, 1951, nearest neighbor algorithm, 1967. So as you see, all these shiny algorithms and the buzzwords which are happening right now, it's not something which has happened in the last decade. They have happened 50 years plus. So why, as human beings, if we have tamed statistics, we have got these algorithms, why we were not able to get those machines working all around us in such a successful way? There are quite a few reasons. Actually, that was considered to be the first AI winter in 1974, when all this buzz and excitement subsided because of two main things. One, we did not have enough number of data sets to be able to do what we wanted to do, and the compute power. I even go ahead and say that in 1960 or 1970, if somebody wanted to create an Alexa kind of application, they could have done it. It's technically feasible. The only challenge is the user experience, and this would have been the user experience. Somebody in 1970 created that device, would ask a question to Alexa, what's the weather today? It would spin and spin and spin for a month and probably still give you a wrong answer. And that's what you don't want. User experience is the key. And that's the difference which led to the AI winter. It doesn't mean that everything stopped at that point of time. The progress definitely stopped. The investment in this field stopped and reduced to drastic extents. But people kept on making changes. At Stanford itself, there was a Stanford cart to navigate in a room and not hit obstacles in 1979. Very publicized 1996, Gary Costco was defeated by IBM Deep Blue. That was a big feat by itself. And things keep on continuing to build. 2006, deep learning was coined. It's not something which happened last couple of years, which as many people think so currently. Now, what I think in the last couple of years, why the buzz has happened, it's the third AI revolution which we have, the third wave which is happening. But I think these are important things. The data set which we have got for the last 10, 13 years due to big data revolutions, Hadoop and MapReduce and Spark and all those changes have provided us an ample amount of data. And the GPUs and different kind of cloud computing and capabilities had given us enormous amount of performance capabilities that we can process content and the data in a satisfactory way. And what these companies, Amazon, Microsoft, Google have done, they have commoditized and made it so easy to use those algorithms. And so many of them is just a button click on an interface or a mobile app and so on and so forth, that this commoditization combined with access to a large amount of data and the access to all of these compute capabilities has resulted in a wave which is making it much, much likely to be happening right now. Another popular thing which happened in 2016 was AlphaGo beats Lisdon, the champion in the Go games, and it is considered to be more sophisticated or multiple permutations and combination even to chess. So it's almost took several years to really get to that level. And it's a progress how machines have been going on and continuing to progress.